I'm Bill Cullen. I'm Chief Exec at Hickley Bosworth Borough Council. I'm also on the National Board of the District Council Network. I'm here at the joint Solace Civica workshop here at the Central Library in the Birmingham City Centre. So if we look at placemaking now and into the future, it isn't just about the physical, but the public realm, about investing in buildings. It's what services that can be offered out to our communities. So we've been embarking on a programme with the Macmillan Cancer Trust in providing physical activity support programmes for people who are preparing for surgery to strengthen themselves. I think the future of leisure centres and programmes is more about providing that peripatetic outreach services to communities rather than just encouraging them to come into their buildings. I think in my role, certainly as Chief Exec of a Borough Council, it's really important to connect with your business community. So I certainly every year go out and probably visit at least 12 to 15 of the larger, more major companies in our patch to get them connected, not only with what we do as a public sector organisation, but in terms of their place. There are examples in my area where companies actually operate on a global footprint. They have offices all over the world, but don't know what is actually in their place, in our place locally. Personally, I found this session today with other key senior local government leaders from across the country and with representatives of Solace and also Civica to have the wider debate about the challenges that we all face with regard to placemaking, but also hearing about some of those really innovative ideas and solutions that people are bringing to their places to make a difference for their communities.